Step 1. Open your YouTube in any device or open any web browser. And then from the search bar, type SUG ATBU tutorial. Okay, so and then click on go to search, and then you wait for a while. So after the searching, you go to step 2. Step 2 here, click on subscribe. From here, you discover that subscription is free. Okay, so after this subscription, click on the bell icon beside it. Okay, and then click on all to turn on the notification. All right, good. Now step 3, click on the SUG logo here. You can see the SUG logo. Click on it to open the channel properly. Okay, the YouTube channel. From here, you will see the video tab, the playlist tab, and all that. Okay, you can open them. Now I want you to open the playlist tab. Anytime you want to watch our videos, please, I will advise you to always click on playlist tab here. Okay, open this playlist. From here, you will see different topics and then the courses here. You can see MTH 111 and MTH 112 and then the topics under it. Okay, so from here you can search for the topic and then search for the course that you want and then watch exactly what you want. Okay, now you can also change the quality of the video. So if you want to change the quality of the video playing, just tap the video that is playing and then you will see 3 dots at the top right corner. Okay, you see the 3 dots, click on it. Then from the options given, you will see quality. Then click on quality and then select as you desire. Okay, select your choice. That is how to check or change the quality of the video. And you can also turn your phone to portrait or landscapes. Okay, good. All right, thank you.